Welcome to a riveting exploration of the evolution of computers. Join us on a time-traveling journey from ancient calculating devices to the modern technological marvels that define our digital age. From humble beginnings to today's cutting-edge innovations, witness the incredible progression that has shaped our world. Get ready for a fascinating ride through the history of computing, uncovering the milestones that have transformed the way we live, work, and connect. The abacus, dating back to 3000 BCE, is a crucial early computing tool with historical importance. Employed by Chinese, Mesopotamian, Roman, and Greek civilizations, it streamlined basic arithmetic operations. Its enduring legacy lies in laying foundational principles for subsequent computational advancements, setting the stage for the development of sophisticated tools. The abacus played a key role in the calculations of these diverse ancient civilizations, shaping the course of computing history and influencing the evolution of modern computational technology. The slide rule, invented by Reverend William Oughtred in the 17th century, was a nifty mathematical tool that used sliding scales for calculations. Widely used by scientists and engineers, it became a precursor to the computer. Oughtred's invention showcased the power of mechanical calculation, paving the way for future advancements. The slide rule's legacy extends into the development of early computers, as its innovative approach to computation influenced the thinking behind these groundbreaking machines, shaping the future of technology and mathematical precision. In the 17th to 18th centuries, the era of mechanical calculators emerged, featuring innovations like Napier's bones, 1617, and Pascaline, 1642. These inventions, including the Leibniz wheel, 1673, streamlined multiplication and division, laying the foundation for advanced calculators. Napier's bones, devised by Scottish mathematician John Napier in 1617, revolutionized complex calculations. Comprising numbered rods inscribed with multiplication tables, users aligned them to swiftly and accurately perform multiplication and division. This ingenious device significantly boosted computational efficiency, marking a pivotal advancement in mathematical tools during the 17th century. The Pascaline, invented by French mathematician Blaise Pascal in 1642, represents a pivotal advancement in computational history. This mechanical calculator, featuring a series of gears and cogs, aimed to alleviate the burden of arduous arithmetic tasks. Designed to perform addition and subtraction with ease, the Pascaline marked a significant leap in the automation of numerical calculations during the 17th century. Though Pascal built only a few prototypes, his creation laid the groundwork for subsequent innovations in mechanical computation, influencing the evolution of early calculators. The Leibniz wheel, conceived by German mathematician and philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz in 1673, stands as a pioneering development in mechanical computation. An enhancement of Pascal's design, Leibniz incorporated a step drum mechanism, allowing multiplication and division through a more efficient and streamlined process. By introducing a carry mechanism, the Leibniz wheel significantly improved the accuracy and speed of calculations. This ingenious device played a crucial role in advancing computational tools during the 17th century, contributing to the ongoing evolution of early mechanical calculators. The Jacquard loom, invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard in 1801, revolutionized the textile industry and inadvertently contributed to the evolution of early computing concepts. By employing punched cards to control the intricate patterns woven into the fabric, the loom introduced a level of automation previously unseen. This innovative use of punched cards directly influenced early computational devices, as it demonstrated a method of using coded instructions to control machinery. The Jacquard loom thus holds a unique place in history, bridging the worlds of textiles and emerging computational technology. In 1837, Charles Babbage conceptualized the analytical engine, a groundbreaking design considered the first true computer. Envisioned as a mechanical marvel, this engine featured integrated memory, arithmetic logic, and conditional branching. Though never fully constructed during Babbage's lifetime, the analytical engine laid the foundation for modern computing principles. Its introduction of sequential operations, stored instructions, and the potential for programming marked a visionary leap, influencing subsequent generations of inventors and shaping the trajectory of computational innovation. In 1854, George Boole's groundbreaking work on mathematical logic gave birth to Boolean algebra, a system that revolutionized the field of computer science. Boole's algebraic expressions, utilizing logical operators such as AND, OR, and NOT, laid the foundation for binary code and the design of digital circuits. His insights into the symbolic representation of logical statements became instrumental in the development of modern computers, providing a theoretical framework for the manipulation and processing of information through binary digits, or bits. Herman Hollerith's census machine, introduced in 1890, transformed data processing for the U.S. Census. Innovatively utilizing punched card technology, Hollerith's invention encoded demographic information on these cards, facilitating rapid and precise tabulation. The machine's efficiency significantly reduced processing time compared to manual methods, revolutionizing census procedures. Hollerith's pioneering work laid the foundation for modern data processing systems, showcasing an early example of computing technology that played a crucial role in the evolution of computational methodologies. The Harvard Mark I completed in 1944 was a pioneering electromechanical computer developed by Howard Aiken and Grace Hopper. Funded by IBM, it stood 51 feet long and weighed nearly 5 tons. Using punched card input, the Mark I performed complex calculations and aided scientific research. Although slow by modern standards, its contribution to computation and its role in advancing technology marked a significant milestone, showcasing the potential of electronic devices for scientific and mathematical tasks. The ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, completed in 1946, was the world's first general-purpose electronic digital computer. Designed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly, ENIAC utilized vacuum tubes for rapid calculations. Covering 1,800 square feet and weighing 30 tons, it solved complex mathematical problems and played a crucial role in scientific and military applications. ENIAC's innovation set the stage for the electronic computing era, demonstrating the feasibility of electronic systems for computation and accelerating technological advancements. The UNIVAC I, Universal Automatic Computer I, introduced in 1951, was the first commercially produced computer in the United States. Designed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly, UNIVAC I utilized vacuum tubes for processing. Known for predicting the outcome of the 1952 presidential election accurately, it demonstrated the potential of computers in data analysis. Weighing about 29,000 pounds, UNIVAC I played a crucial role in advancing computing technology, setting the stage for future innovations. Chapter 58 unravels the world of special-purpose computers, spotlighting their unique role in revolutionizing computing. This specialized breed of machines, forged by pioneers like John Presper Eckert and John Mauchly, was born in the mid-20th century. Focused on distinct functions, these computers played a pivotal role in scientific simulations, graphics processing, and cryptographic endeavors. The chapter explores the origins, innovations, and impact of these purpose-built marvels, showcasing their indispensable contribution to shaping the landscape of modern technology. Introduced in 1952, the IBM 701, also known as the Defense Calculator, was a pioneering electronic computer that revolutionized computing. Co-invented by Gene Amdahl and Nathaniel Rochester, this groundbreaking machine operated with vacuum tubes, utilizing punched cards for input and magnetic tapes for output. With impressive computational power, the IBM 701 played a crucial role in scientific and engineering calculations, laying the foundation for subsequent developments in mainframe computing and solidifying Amdahl and Rochester's legacy in the history of early computer innovation. The IBM 1401, introduced in 1959, exemplified the era of transistors and miniaturization. A popular and versatile mainframe computer, it played a pivotal role in business data processing. Utilizing transistor technology, the IBM 1401 was smaller and more efficient than its vacuum tube predecessors. Its compatibility with punched card and tape input made it accessible for a broad range of applications, contributing significantly to the adoption of computers in diverse industries during the early 1960s. Introduced in 1964, the IBM System/360 was a groundbreaking mainframe computer series. Notable for its compatibility across various models, it set a standard for computing systems. Employing integrated circuits for enhanced performance and reliability, the System/360 allowed businesses and institutions to meet diverse computational needs. This architectural innovation, along with its modular design, positioned the IBM System/360 as a milestone in computing history, influencing future generations of mainframe computers. In the 1970s, when computers were big and pricey, Intel saw the need for a smaller, affordable solution. This led to the birth of the Intel 4004, the first-ever microprocessor, in 1971. Led by Federico Faggin, the design team created a 4-bit processor with 46 instructions, initially for calculators but soon used in traffic lights and more. The 4004 kick-started the microprocessor era, propelling Intel's success in transforming computing. Its impact resonates today as microprocessors power everything from computers to smartphones, representing a giant leap in technology. The 4004 is a pioneer, shaping the ongoing revolution in computing. In the late 1970s, the personal computer era changed how we access technology. It gave individuals computing power, shaping how we interact with computers at home and work. The Altair 8800, launched in 1975, was crucial to this change. Created by MITS, it was the first successful microcomputer kit. Using switches and lights, the Altair 8800 inspired hobbyists like Bill Gates and Paul Allen to develop BASIC, a programming language. This system, with its expandable design, is celebrated as a key part of home computing evolution, setting the stage for future innovations. The Apple II, introduced by Apple Incorporated in 1977, revolutionized the personal computer industry. Designed by Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs, the Apple II was the first pre-assembled, mass-produced microcomputer. Boasting color graphics and an open architecture, it became immensely popular in homes and schools. Its success laid the foundation for Apple's future endeavors and contributed significantly to the growth of personal computing, earning the Apple II a revered place in the history of technology and innovation. Back in the 1980s, computers got a major upgrade with something called the Graphical User Interface, GUI. The Apple Macintosh, born in 1984, made this change famous. Instead of typing a bunch of words, you could just click on pictures and menus. Led by Steve Jobs, the Macintosh had a small screen and a mouse to make things easy. This made computers super friendly for everyone, not just tech wizards. The Macintosh set a high standard, shaping how we use computers even today. It made computing cool and accessible for everyone. The rise of cloud computing, prevalent since the 2010s, revolutionized how we store and access data. Services like AWS and Microsoft Azure provide scalable computing resources over the internet, eliminating the need for on-site servers. This paradigm shift enables businesses and individuals to leverage powerful computing capabilities without hefty infrastructure investments. Cloud computing's flexibility and accessibility have become integral, transforming IT practices and facilitating innovation across diverse industries in a globally connected digital landscape. In recent times, the fifth generation of computers has stood out by focusing on smart tasks like talking and solving problems using artificial intelligence, AI, and parallel processing. This computer era started in the late 20th century, inspired by Japan's fifth-generation computer systems project. They've made cool progress in AI, parallel processing, and expert systems. At the same time, there's this exciting thing called quantum computing, using quantum mechanics, that can do super-fast calculations. Quantum computers are like magic, using qubits that can be in many states at once. Famous folks like Richard Feynman and David Deutsch are making it all happen, making computers super smart. Even though quantum computing is still new, it's got big potential for the future, especially in stuff like secret codes, problem solving, and cool science stuff. In the incredible journey from ancient counting tools to quantum marvels, computing has transformed our world. As we stand on the cusp of a super-smart future, we've witnessed the evolution of machines, connecting us globally and learning autonomously. Computers have changed a lot, and together, we're shaping a smarter, more connected world. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.